Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable content and privacy restrictions on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Screen Time. Now, if you haven't set up Screen Time before, you need to set up screen time and you need to put in a passcode. Okay, so once you have set up screen time, go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. At the top here, tap on content and privacy restrictions switch to turn it on or off. If you want to turn it off, you will need to put in the screen time passcode that you have created previously. And now that it is switched off, you can switch it on. Now, switching it on does not require you to put in a passcode. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.